Engage drills simultaneously.
All right, take the tension. Easy now, hold it steady. Bring it down slow.
Start the pour on hole 1. Keep it coming steady.
We're open. Concrete flowing.
Lowering the cage now. Keep it centered. Roger that. Looks good.
10 feet, 6 inches.
Mark. Align the waller.
Move the pump.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the left side.
Holding steady, lowering now.
Looks good. Keep coming down.
"16 inches, Mark, 32 feet. Tied and secured. Next bundle coming in. Is it seated? Seated. Send the pins. A little lower. Okay, pour. 5 on, watch the pressure. All right, pull the hose back slowly now. Copy that, retracting the boom. Is the rebar secured on your end?
Almost. Tightening the last bracket now.
Hoist the next section.
Concrete coming through. Clear below.
Watch the line. Bring it up slow. Wind is picking up. Secure your harnesses.
Raise the formwork now.
Holding steady. Ready for the pour.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Easy, easy. Hold it there. Locked it in.
10 tension on. Hold steady. Secure it. Beautiful. Rope clear. 0 to moving to midspan. Easy, left, steady. Down, contact.
Lower. Hold it right there. We are aligned.
All right, secure the bolts.
Tower 1, saddle appears stable.
Copy that. Deck reports hangar connections nominal.
Structure secure. Copy that. Proceeding to the next section.
We need more material on the left side. Pushing it up now. Check the thickness right there. Watch your grade on this side. Okay, hold it steady. Backing up now.
1, report status. Trucks are in position, air brakes set. Standing by for the test sequence. Deflection reading at midspan is 15 millimeters. Copy that, 15 millimeters confirmed. harness check complete. Proceeding with torque sequence on bolt group Charlie. Reading you 5x5. Structural integrity confirmed on this section. Truck approach to the right shoulder. Roger, shoulder is clear. Stopping now.
The successful integration of the bridge deck and the mountain approach road is crucial for the structural integrity of the crossing.
Night check complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final inspection sign-off.
Final inspection complete. All systems are green.
Acknowledged. Convoy 1, you are clear to proceed onto the bridge structure.